So today I'll be talking about sequences. For the first question, it is very easy. For sequences for those questions, first you can go and check if there's if you can add a certain number and there's a rule you could try to add everything. Like if I add 2 to 3, it would be 1, and then 3 to 5 would be 2. And then 5 to 9 would be 4. And then 9 to 11 would be 8. And then keep on going, which is 17 to 33 is 16. You need to check those patterns first, because a lot of sequences will have those patterns, and which is just like this first one. That's its pattern. So this one's 1, this one's 2, this one's not 4, and then this one's difference is 8. This one's difference is 16. And so they ask for the next number in the sequence. So it's this number, which I don't know. So, of course, this one's 1. So it plus 2, 1 to 2. Then this plus 2. Then this plus 4. So there's no pattern in that. So you try 1 to 2 is timed 2's. And then this is times 2, and then times 2. So that's a pattern. So 16 times 2. That means the next number you have to plus 32, because it keeps on timing 2. And 16 times 2 is 32. So we know that it is 33 plus 32, which is just a simple little addition, which is 65 in the next number. So I'll write it over here, which is 65. And for 2, this one's different. It's not numbers. So you could try for whatever. You could try for patterns like the days, weeks, months, and all those. Or you could try to make the letters a number, which is in a sequence. But usually this one's pretty hard for you to check out. See out, because I'll be telling you the answer now. So the JFMAMJ, there's no sequence as numbers, because the M to this M have no sequence. Just because they're the same, that means they'll be having no sequences. Even if they minus the same thing at the same time, then the J, another J would be there, and another J would be there, but the J is another J that's over there. So that means that there is no addition or subtraction sequences inside this. So you don't even need to turn it into numbers, because that would kind of waste time. So the actual sequence is, you could check out the days. So the first day is Monday, so it doesn't work. So you could check the months, which is January, February, March, April, May, June, which is just perfect from the first letter of each week. So first, it's January, which starts with a J. Then it's February, which starts with an F. Then it's March, which starts with an M. Then April, then May, then June. It all starts with what's the first number. So that means the next month will be June. So the answer is another big J. And the third is actually really hard. It's actually I just did this for fun. It's way too hard for you to say that, so I have to tell you the answer. This have no sequence, because this is minus 10. This is minus 10. And this to there is straight plus 62. And that's no sequence. So we have to try a different way. For this one, the actual answer is to make the iPad backwards. So if it is backwards, it would be 92. If you see it backwards, it's going to be 92, which I could show you, which is like a 26 backward. 26 backward would actually be a 92, if you trust me. you could like make your iPad backward and you could see the pattern. Then 16 turns into 91 and 06 turns into 90. And the other one, this one turns into 89. And the next one will obviously be 88 because each one minuses 1. And then it keeps on going minusing 1. So the pattern makes it 88. And we write a 88 in the answer. And we're done.